The weather is changing. It's starting to get chilly outside. Make sure your home's heating system is safe to use when your family needs it most with RKM Heating and Air. Right now, get a fall heater safety check with 26-point inspection for just $69. RKM will do a full diagnostic, plus carbon monoxide testing, air duct inspection, and heat exchanger safety check with pictures. RKM Heating and Air offers lifetime warranties on repairs and 0% financing on thermostats and controls, temperature zoning, insulation, and more. Ask about their $14 a month maintenance program for free services, tune-ups, and bonus discounts. Chilly evenings are coming. Don't get caught in the cold. Call RKM Heating and Air today for your $69 fall heater safety check. RKM Heating and Air in Riverside, 951-656-9970, 951-656-9970. Online at rkmair.com, 951-656-9970.